They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
Good morning, pimps, players, hustlers, cat key, auntie. Happy hump day to everybody who's out there on the grind, doing real grown folk stuff, making grown folks move. I'd like to shout everybody out. Thank you for watching my channel. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, that we keep it pushing to that 1,600. Eventually, once we get to 2K, that's when I do another giveaway. Probably gonna do a mix of something. You know me, I always like to come up with surprises. Also, make sure you get that notification bell ready. Anytime I drop a vid, you will be notified. Make sure you tune in this week in 9 p.m. Eastern to the Who Has the Heat Championship. We got coming to you week 1 winner, Breezy Kicks. Week 2, Black Ass African. Week 3, P-Town 24. Week 4, McFly KOF. And week 5 is Splash, I'm Drippy. Also, we have special guests on there, Feats and Treats. You're going to have moderator and do put in input on the stuff, along with my partners in crime, 313 Retro Queen and PM Kicks. Also, with that being said, I also want to start doing my stuff. You know how I do randomly shout out to people who may be underrated and you might not know who's out there. I put it in the description, but I'll probably put it in the video once I do the edit. Shout out to the homie True Space Kicks, K-I-C-K-S. Shout out to him. He also came through this week to the show, donated through the super chat. It's something I don't really push too much, but if people do, it's greatly appreciated. You know me, I'm gonna turn around and take it and do something and give it back to the community. Me and him, he's a Georgia fan, but we'll talk about that later. But like I said, go back and check him out. Also, if you're looking for that dope merch, look into the homie Money Run Clothing, moneyrunclothing.com or moneyrunclothing_ on IG. You can DM him and use my code, do what you like. You feel me? Now, other than that, let's jump right into this review. You know how I always say, aka Mr. Steals and Mr. Deals. This was another steal that I got from Foot Locker. These things with 119 of them things. And then I got a discount on top of that, but they went back up. I think it's like $179, something like that. But that's for the price I got, it was like half off. And I picked these up for me and the other homie, but I don't know if he want to do his review. So I'll let him do his thing. I don't want to take his shine. So you got the Air Foamposite Pro, got the FTL sticker, Fisher Colorway Sequoia, Black Team Orange, 10.5. Suggested retail price, 230 of them things. Like I said, I got it for 119 plus that discount. So I got these jokers for under $100. You see how it goes right there. These joints, you definitely got to make sure you try them on. Because if not, they will be uncomfortable and your feet will be screaming like Mike and Janet. You can see got that Nike paper. And woo, saucy, saucy. Got these green Sequoia things, aka undefeated. So patience does pay off. And as I always say, like I've been a staple in my video, bang to the bang, bang. Look at that. Very saucy. Let me just check out that details. Now let's flip them suckers up on the side. You got them green herringbone pods. You got that Zoom Air. You got that dope check on steroids, orange. You got your carbon fiber or carbon fiber, somebody to say. Under that, you got your Nike etched in there. Then on this toe bar, you got this nice. Oh, look, discuss. Okay, you can see you got a little bit of glue and stuff right there, but that's all right for the price. It's kind of a different material. I can't even explain what it is. Like, feel almost like a. If you're in the military, it feels like a Kevlar. That's exactly what it feels like inside the Kevlar. Then here you got your material, kind of more like a more rugged, kind of almost like corduroy. And you got suede or nubuck right here coming up on the tongue. You got mesh right here in your pull tab. You got orange and black in your air. You got your lace tips here with orange, which I think is pretty dope. Always nice to see the Nike swoosh engraved on the shoe. Coming around the side, almost make you feel like this thing can pop out. Or replaceable, the swoosh, but it is not. Then you got your big, ginormous plate here, your carbon fiber plate. Coming around on that TAS, you bag it on up. Then you move right in. You got that stitched in Nike swoosh. So you got basically your Sequoia green, and then you got the detailing of the orange coming around, trimmed in orange. You got these Foamposite, and then inside you got this boot in here for extra cushion. Come around on the medium size, no check, just a plain Jane or rain. And then inside you got your swoosh with your air. And you already know in here's a fight to see the production date. It's a 10.5. I don't know how people play in foam, but I guess it is a breaking period. Maybe you can ball in it, but beyond me, everybody who has foams, you know you gotta wear them and break them in, because you just cannot wear this shoe all day. But you can rock it with dope fits and things of that nature. Like I said, I don't have to have every shoe when it comes out. Just be patient. I got a couple of my eyes on a couple other foams, just waiting for the price to drop on them bad babies, and then I'm gonna jump on them like it's no tomorrow. Now, let's see, on the Litty Lit meter, should have compared these to the Undefeated 8, but on the Litty Lit meter, these are pretty dope. I go a 4.6 out of 5, because I think this is a very well crafted shoe. Like I said, the material is very unique, kind of like I said, for those who've been in the military, you got that Kevlar. It's just like that material inside of the helmet. And so 4.6 out of 5. Let me know what you think in the comment suggestions below. Like I said, I know foams is not for everyone, so make sure, like I said again, tune in to the show on Saturday. We're going to be a great time, 9 p.m. Eastern. Also, like I said again, check out the homie True Space Kicks. Follow him. So like this video, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. I respond to everybody. I try to do it within 24 to 48 hours. And I just posted the other day a little something different, me actually riding a moped. I'm probably going to post one more, or just change it up everything, because March is a slow month. So other than that, thanks for watching my little video. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.